Drugstore myths. Now, many people think that they could never possibly find something in the drugstore that's affordable that would work the same as something expensive.
Right. I'll just say I've never seen anything in the $400 to $600 price range that's worth the money. I just haven't seen any clinical data for any of those products. I did bring one that's a little bit pricier.
Really cheap ones.
Right. So then there are products that are inexpensive that are good, and I brought some examples of those. I'm a big drugstore girl, so I am in that drugstore looking at products, and there are ingredients you look for. Okay. Things like retinol, niacinamide, caffeine, antioxidants, peptides, those are good. I look for the brand names because they have these incredibly bright PhDs working in laboratories to come up with these products, and the money doesn't go into packaging, it goes into ingredients. So I really like those. Some are a little bit more expensive. You can ask your dermatologist, but that very high price range where they put, you know, some of them have like bird poop in them, like all these exotic things, yes, snake venom, all these weird things, and caviar and gold and diamonds. Diamonds are jewelry, not face products, okay?
What about the cellulite claims that are out there, like the creams that are cellulite, they say, I mean, how do we know which ones work and which ones don't?
They have a lot of the same ingredients in terms of botanicals and retinol and niacinamide and caffeine that can make the skin look better. And there are some more advanced ones that can do a little bit more. I brought an example as well. So there are things that you can use that I really like. This is Nectafermin. It's for smoothing out the neck, but you can use it on the body too. Vichy, there are other great products that can help look better. Lactic acid is a good ingredient, gently exfoliates and hydrates. It's a temporary effect. Beware of what over-delivers.
Okay. Be careful, you know, if you use it.
Promises on what it delivers.
After the hour's over or whatever, just put your cover-up back on, I guess. Our thanks to Dr. Day. Members of our audience are going home with products from some of these companies. We'll be right back.